Hi, little boo-boo. It's a rainy day today, isn't it? I know. Yeah. I saw you playing with your toys. Yeah. Look at all this rain out here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can hear it hitting the hostas out there, huh, little boo? Yeah, you can hear the rain hitting the hostas. Yeah. What a good little baby. Hmm. Happier inside? Hmm. I bet you are. You can hop up here if you want to. Yes. Oh. You gonna hop up there? No, you're not sure? You're thinking about it? Okay. Okay. Good day to stay inside. He's checking it out. It's a little too wet out here for my liking, huh? This cute little prairie dog look. All right. You can stay there if you want to. Oh, what a good boy. Tucking your legs in. Okay, okay. Yeah, you've been inside for a long time. It's been too wet out there for you. You don't like that, do you? No. You like to stay dry. Keeping your powder dry, huh? Oh, you gonna jump off ship? Oh no, oh no. Oh, I don't know if this roof would last very long outside, you know. Yeah, I don't think it's waterproof. Maybe water resistant for a couple of trips. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Whoop, whoop. Look, buddy. There's something in the window in there. Ooh. We gotta go inside to get it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Whoa. Inspecting the exterior of the house? Yeah. Oh, you wanna check on Daddy? Hmm. He's like, this roof is not suitable for outdoor use. No. I wonder if that's in the instructions. I mean, if you put shingles on there, I'm sure it eventually gets soggy on the sides. We'd have to hit that some water resistant stuff, huh, little boo? Yeah, looks like you're busting out the seams from the inside, huh? Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. When I do this, it looks like a mouse, kind of. Like a squirrel. Ooh, gonna get it? Ooh, whoa, there we go. Whoa, he's got it. He's got it. Oh, what a good baby. What a good baby. Yeah. Yeah. Boop. Oh. Here, I'll start it. Ooh. Oh, he just wants to see his daddy. Okay. Kind of cool outside too, isn't it, little boo? Oh, there we go. Oh. What a good boy. Ooh. Yikes. We still gotta find a place to hang the silver play button, little boo. We gotta do that pretty soon, huh? Yeah. Checking out the movies? Yeah. Or watch Titanic? Oh, he's in explorer mode. Well, little boo, Daddy's gotta hop in the shower now, okay? All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Exploring the Multimedia Center. Yes, okay. Okay, it's for you too, little boo. Yeah. Oh, back to that? Okay. You like that, don't you? You like that? Oh, not anymore. Okay, dog. Oh, look at the little baby. You gonna go night-night, little boo-boo? Oh, okay. Looks like you are. All right, well, thanks again for watching, everybody. Be safe out there. Keep your powder dry. Bye-bye.